Hey there YouTube, Clay here once again back to my channel, and we're back in my kitchen today. And I will say right now, for my British viewers, which I do have, it seems like a good chunk of my viewers are British, you may not want to watch this video. This may annoy you. But today, and this is actually inspired by a conversation I just had earlier tonight on Twitch with a British streamer. We are going to be making tea, and I am going to be comparing tea made in the microwave and in the kettle. When I do have actually, I did dig this thing out of storage. Yeah. So, and the tea, I'm going to be using Earl Grey with lavender from Twinings. So I've got a liter of water in my kettle, a liter of water in the microwave, and we're gonna first off we're gonna see how long the difference, if there's a difference in time. No, I know a lot of British use electric kettles, which I don't have. I've got a microwave and I got a stovetop kettle. I'm gonna get them both boiling, and I got two. I'm gonna make two identical cups of tea. The only difference is how I heat up the water, and we're gonna see if there's a difference. So I'll go ahead and there we go. Get the oven going. 5 minutes in the microwave. I'll come back to you once they're boiling. Alright, 5 minutes up. Neither one is boiling. I'm just gonna double check the temperature. 142. It's got some time to go. I'm gonna put in some more on the stovetop kettle. I gotta do this with one hand. There we go. These are in Fahrenheit, by the way. I don't know how to switch these thermometers to Celsius for. No, okay, so about the same. I'll come back once these are both boiling. Yeah. 212 is boiling in Fahrenheit. 32 is freezing. Makes a lot of sense, I know, but anyway, I'll get them both boiling, and I'll come back to you once that's done, and we'll, yeah. Alright, so kettle's just boiling. Put that up. Microwave. And just starting to boil too, so not much time difference here. Let's set this down here. Let me see. And now great setup I have here. First, kettle. And the microwave. How hot is that? Weird. That's not hot. Alright. Alright. I got so 2 cups of tea going. Give it a couple minutes here for it to brew fully. and yeah. I'm going to give them just a couple minutes to brew. I'm going to let them cool down for a minute or two so I don't burn myself. Then we'll do the taste test. Alright. So I got them in a couple minutes, got them brewed. So 2 identical cups of tea, except for how I boiled the water. Start with the kettle. I could have steeped this for longer. And the microwave. Okay, so I've been going through these 2 cups of tea. I could not tell the difference in the taste between the 2. They taste exactly the same to me, which is to say, I should have probably, which is to say, I should have probably steeped them for much longer, because they're both a bit like sex on the beach in that they're fucking close to water, is what they are. I mean, they taste like hot water with a little bit of the tea, bergamot and lavender, like pretty weak for me. I like tea strong. Yeah, so I kind of rushed it for the sake of, yeah, and, yeah, so, and actually, like, if I use, like, loose leaf tea, the way I like to do it is, the Chinese, they call it Young Fu style, but they use a lot more leaf to water, a lot more tea leaf to water, than like a tea bag in a cup, or the British 1 scoop of tea in the teapot per cup, plus 1 for the teapot. Yeah. That's, yeah. But other than that, but as far as the test though, both exactly the same. I just don't. Okay, you know, there is one difference I will say between the kettle and 2. One is that of safety. If you're using purified water in the microwave, you can run into a situation where it becomes heated, superheated, which is above boiling point, but it's not actually boiling. And you go to pour it or put your tea in there or whatever, and it suddenly starts boiling. Basically, it explodes in your face. But you need like a reverse osmosis purified water or distilled water. The water I used in this was from a hard water. It was hard water. It hadn't been one. I mean, I've got a reverse osmosis system here, but I didn't use that. I used. It didn't even go through the water softener, so just regular tap water. Well, okay, I'd say had it been filtered. That's not entirely true. That it is a sediment filter that it's gone through, but it hasn't been purified. So that the other one, convenience. I mean, I guess if you got an electric, boiling time took pretty much the same. I mean, not enough to make it not a difference to care. That being said, like, I got a garage out, or I've got a microwave out in my garage. I don't have a stove out. Well, got an old one that doesn't work, that's used for, but, no. Like, if I'm out in the garage, and I don't feel like coming in, the microwave is definitely more convenient. Although, yeah, taste-wise though, which is what I was after here, no difference. So, yeah, no, I'm gonna, yeah, my British viewers, I can see the comments already. With that, take care, and I will see you guys next time.